How to reactivate your Roblox account. Well, hello everyone, welcome back into the channel. In this video today, let me guide you through the steps on how you can easily reactivate your Roblox account. Well, if you deactivated your account and you want to reactivate it, the process is simple. You want to simply head over to roblox.com on browser, or you can continue in the app. Head over to app or the browser and proceed to sign in with your account credentials. Then a reactivate prompt will appear on the screen. You want to tap on it and click it to restore your account. Now, if your account was temporarily banned, you can log into your account on a computer or laptop. This method may not work on mobile or consoles. Then you want to check a checkbox labeled reactivate should appear if you are banned. Then check the box and agree to terms and conditions to reactivate your account. So it's pretty simple. If you deactivate it, simply enter in the credentials. However, make sure that you have not crossed a certain day mark. Now, normally accounts have 30 days mark. If you delete your account and if you do not reactivate it within 30 days, your account will be gone permanently. So you want to be aware of that as well. Hope this video helped you. Do like and subscribe.